Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another simple LeetCode problem, missing number. You will be given an integer array which contains all numbers in the range of 0 to n except one number. We need to identify that missing number. Let's take this example. This array contains all numbers in the range of 0 to 3 except one number. 2 is missing in the given range. So 2 is the output here. We will take another example. This array contains all numbers in the range of 0 to 9 except one number. 8 is missing in this range. So 8 is the output here. It is nowhere said that the input is sorted array. So we can safely assume that input can be unsorted array. There are a couple of expectations on the solution. It must be order of n time complexity and order of one space complexity. We are going to discuss three approaches here. The first one is based on hash set. Let's assume that this is our input array. First, we will take a hash set and filled with all the numbers in the given range. The range will be detected based on input array length. Now, let's draft a hash set and fill with all numbers. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will start removing elements one by one from the hash set. The leftover element in the hash set is the missing number. We will remove one by one. 3, 3, 0, 0, 4, 4, 1, 1. 2 is the leftover number at the end. 2 is the missing number. This is the answer. This solution is not a constant space complexity as we are using extra space for hash set. In our next approach, we are going to use sum of n natural numbers. The formula for sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. In our approach, first we will calculate this sum. Then we will calculate sum of all the input array elements. If we subtract these two, then we will get the missing number. Let's calculate. Here n is 4. 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 into 5 by 2. 20 by 2, which is 10. Now sum of all the array elements are 3 plus 4 plus 1. Which is 8. So minus 8. So the answer is 2. 2 is the missing number. This is the answer. It is one of the optimized solution. It is order of n time complexity and order of one space complexity. But there is one drawback with this solution. There can be integer overflows with bigger range of inputs. So we will discuss another approach now. In the next approach, we will be using bitwise XOR operation. We will apply XOR operator on all the array elements along with all the numbers in the given range. Let's apply. 3 XOR 0 XOR 4 XOR 1 XOR along with all numbers in the range. 0 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4. We know how bitwise operator works. It returns 0 on the same input bits. I mean, if the input bits are 0, 0 or 1, 1, then it returns 0. So when we apply bitwise operator on the same input, it returns 0. Like this. If the input bits are different, then it returns 1. I mean, if the input bits are either 0 or 1, when we apply XOR operator on this, it returns 1. Similarly, when we apply bitwise XOR operator on numbers, it returns 0 for same numbers. So here 3, 3 will return 0, 4, 4 will return 0, 1, 1 will return 0. Finally, bitwise XOR on 0 and 2 will return 2. This is the missing number. We got the answer. This is also an optimized solution. It is an order of n time complexity and order of 1 space complexity. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. I have already copied the method signature from LeetCode directly. Let's declare a variable to hold the final result, the missing number. Let's loop over and apply XOR operator. Let's consider this statement as two parts. The first part is applying XOR operator on all the natural numbers in the given range. The second part is applying XOR operator on the elements, input array elements. Now finally return the result here. I have already written a main method to save some time. We are making a call to missing number function with multiple input arrays. Let's run. Hope there are no runtime errors. Here is the output, which is as expected. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.